Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Let's Keep It Real. Okay, who am I kidding? Sorry. Wagwan people, it's your girl Leonica Douglas back with another episode of Let's Keep It Real. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan tacos. I ended up making it with curry chickpea and pineapple salsa from scratch. You can use any taco shell you prefer. I ended up using my roti, Jamaican roti, to make mine. Moving on, I'm going to show you how I soak the peas for a couple of hours. I ended up using Desi chickpea, the one that still has the skin on them, and then I soak them in water for a little bit. Then I move on to making my pineapple salsa. I cubed up my pineapples in miniature bites, so you can have a little flavor in every bite while you like dive down into the beautiful taco. It's gonna be worth it in the end. Then you move on to the shallots, onions. I cubed those up, and then I went ahead and like roughly mash them up to have like the flavor distributed evenly. Bell peppers, you want to cube that up as well. And for a little zing, I ended up adding my thyme. You stir that around a little bit, but before you go ahead and stir it around, you will make sure you add your thyme, take out the seeds out of your lemon, and then squeeze it on top. So beautiful. Stir it around, and then I cover it and put it in the fridge. That way I don't really have to worry about it, if that makes sense. Then you want to go ahead and add the soaked chickpea in the pot. And what I ended up doing, I add papaya seeds to tenderize it faster. Now we're going to move on while we're waiting for that to cut up our onions. Make sure that it's cut up in cubes so you have a little bite size for your tacos going on. And then you want to move on to add in the shallots, because I ended up adding like 2 different kinds of onions for mine. Then bell peppers, you cube that up as well so it's bite sized. And then you want to move on to adding those peppers that you like. I ended up adding 2 peppers because I love my spice. So Scotch bonnet Jamaican peppers strictly from Yalla's, and then Thai peppers because I love my spice. Shout out to Yalla, St. Thomas, Jamaica. One time. Then I move on to adding my thyme to get it a little bit of a zing. And then I ended up slicing it up a little bit. So now we want to test it. As you can see, it's properly cooked. Add my little coconut oil to it, make sure that it's coated properly, then stir it around a little bit. Then I went ahead and made my curry from scratch because I love to make my curry from scratch with cumin. I think about 1 teaspoon of cumin, then 1 teaspoon of coriander into the pot. And then I went ahead and add I think I wanted to half a tablespoon of fresh organic turmeric to the pot itself. And then I went ahead my little turmeric roots and a little bit of lemongrass. After I stirred around, and then I decided to add a little bit of lemongrass to the pot, dash it in. And then I ended up putting my cooked peas with it, as well as water from the peas that I put aside, to stir it around a little bit and let it simmer and marinate and stew down for another about 20 minutes, I would say, just to make everything become one. And there you have it. Simple, easy, quick, delicious, most importantly, delicious. But I ended up having steamed vegetables at the base of the tacos to make, the chickpea rise up to the occasion a little bit. Then I add my little pineapple salsa on top. And then because that was steamed green leafy vegetables at the bottom. And then I add broccoli and carrots, sauteed in a little bit of sesame seed oils and salt and pepper and garlic and stuff like that at the side. So, you have your nutritional value to that as well. Let me know if you want a video of me making a quick and easy version of roti. This is the Jamaica quick and easy version, the vegan Jamaican quick and easy version of roti, not the Trinidadian one, even though we got to do a shout out to Trinidad one time, on beer things. I just officially came back from Egypt, and I want to do a little vlog about my post-Egypt trip and how I'm situated and how I'm settling into the colonial world after visiting Kemet. That will be the next video up. I hope you stay tuned for that one, and I'll talk to you in my next one, loves, on Let's Keep It Real. Okay?